range is?
Range is all sets of inputs and outputs of a relation or function. It is also called the y-column. It can also be called the dependent variable.
The domain is all inputs and outputs in a relation or a function. It is also the x-column. It can be called the independent variable. To see if a table is a function, you have to make sure every y value has no repeating x values. There can only be one output for each input.
This is an example of a non-function table because there is an x value with more than one y values, as you can see right here.
This is an example of a function because every x value has only one y value. Even though all of the y values are the same, every x value still only has one. How to do a line test. Draw a straight vertical line through the line on the graph. And if it intersects only once, it is a function. If it intersects more than once, it is not a function.
There can only be one output for each input, and it can be intersected at only one point.
This is an example of a graph with function because when you draw a vertical line on either side, it only intersects at one point.
Either side of the graph.
This graph is not a function because if you use the vertical line test and draw a vertical line on each side, as you can see, it intersects more than once.
Thank you! Line on each side
Of the graph.
of the graph. Alyssa! No, you
No,
can't
Abby,
do
it's
that.
okay.
Thank you! Of a function. Wait, go away.